I want to start developing the shopping cart page as well, and I didn't quite do this on the other app to test it, so I will try to do it live to speed up the process. But for our on our last video we had an error. Oops, I guess I fixed it. Wait, let me try to create the error again. It was something like, yeah, it was something like this. So this is where we left off, actually on a blank screen. So the goal for today is to fix this first and add the similar products and start developing the shopping cart section. uh, let's do it. Before we start with that stuff, still here on our UI, there's something I would like to change. And let's go to the image carousel. As you know, to open a specific widget, just click Control and then click on it, and it will go to that particular. Okay, I want to change this, so I will just put here .bg color and give it colors dot transparent. Control save it. Ta-da. And I guess that now it looks somehow better. Okay, nothing too big, nothing too fancy, but still makes a difference, I guess. um Now let us solve this problem. The first problem I encountered when I started developing for Flutter is it was kind of scary and difficult for me to understand the errors, because when you get an error, you get something like this. Let me open this. Oops. Yeah, you get something like this. And ladies and gentlemen, this is scary. Don't even know how or where to start, but you just have to go to the beginning, because usually the error is written on the first 3 lines or so. And let us read what's happening. Exception caught by scheduler blah blah blah. The following assertion was shown during the scheduler callback. Okay, there are multiple heroes that share the same tag. I don't really know what happened, but it's telling me that this hero widget has a tag, and usually a tag is like an ID to identify a specific widget. And it's telling me that it's finding different heroes with this same tag. I don't know how, I don't know why. But to fix this problem, just give a different tag here. And what I did was I just created a text widget and provide a tag of hero 1. You can do anything here. You can write anything you want, hero 2, hero 7. Even if you just write a, it's up to you. Let's run the application again. Ta-da! And it's back on business. Everything working perfectly fine. We have that stuff out. Now what are we going to do? Another thing I would like to do here is to give the ability. Now to go back to the main page, you have to click this arrow. I would like to give the user the ability of just clicking here and loading the main page, just clicking the name of the app here. So how are we going to do that stuff? We will do something like product details is what you have to open, and go to the top, and here you have this up bar title. This is what we want to change, right? So to make things easy, just click that lamp, new widget. We're going to give this inkwell widget, and we're going to provide on tab. What do we want you to do on tab? We want you to load the main page To make that possible, first we have to import here, import package shop actrude main.dart. Is it defined here? Let me open just to make sure that the home page is defined here in the main. Yes, it is. We have this here. Now, how are we going to call that? That is by navigator. Instead of writing off context then push, you can just, is a small shortcut, just write push, then here we provide the route, which is going to be material page route builder. You're going to provide the function which takes the context as the argument and returns what? New home page. Then close it here and we're good to go. Run the app again, click on anything, then click over here and we're back. Simple but quite interesting. Another thing I would like us to do now here, let us do a small modification, which is coming over here, and for the remove this icon, control save it, done. I guess it looks better like this. We don't need to have the shopping cart over here because we have it here. Okay, what else can we do? The categories, I don't think we really need to repeat them because we already have them here. So the user can pick a category from here. So I'll just come over here and I will not quite remove, but I will change this. Where is our drawer? Where is our drawer? Oh, on the main. Okay, you open main. Then we're going to okay, here you have it. So zoom a little bit. I'll change this to shopping cart and I will put shopping cart here. Good. Then we could do something like colors, just to change the color of the icons. Colors dot red. Let me copy this stuff over here. Copy it. Okay, come to the favorite, paste it, come here, paste it, and repeat the process. What are we doing is basically changing the colors of these icons. Control save this stuff, done. And down here we don't really need to have these colors like this, so I'll just clean up the stuff. Good. Now let's add the similar product section down here. How are we going to do this? Is very simple. We are going to open the product section. We will create a class down here. It's going to be a stateful because most of the probably will need to change the state of this widget. Then I'm going to write similar products. Since the working of the similar products and the working of the products are quite the same, we don't really want to write this over again. So I'm just going to products.dart. I'm going to click on this stuff here and we copy this. Let's go back to the I guess I overcopied. Okay, open up products. First copy the list of products, and when we implement the backend of this, we're going to get this stuff automatically, but since we're not on that stage yet, just be patient. Oh no, I guess I did the right thing that time. Oops. Okay, we're going to copy the content of the product section. You come to the similar products and just like magic you paste the stuff. We can just decrease the number of content here to make it different from the main page, right? Yeah. Yep. Okay. Now we don't have the single product class or widget as you want to call it, but I'll just come here, copy this stuff. We have this stuff copied down. We paste the stuff, and I guess we are good to go. But to avoid problems in the future having this widget with same name, I'll write here similar single product, just to have a difference so that we don't run into issues in the future. And I'll paste this stuff here. I really hope you guys are understanding what's happening here. We're just copying and pasting basically the content of the main page because the structure is the same, and we are pasting here. Okay, nothing too fancy, nothing too special. So what now? Similar products is what we want. So you can just write here similar products section, and I'll give new container. Okay, I may just stop overusing the new. I'll just give container, then height 360, it's good, and then I'm going to give child similar products. I'll run the app again and see if we have issues or not, and it seems like we don't, but still we may need to do some stuff here, like for example Adding a divider would be nice. Adding a small divider. Wooden heart. Oops. Then we can add the small text as well. New text. And for the text we're going to give, what is it? Similar products is fine. We may just need to make things nice, add a small padding. So it's done, guys. We have here the similar products and all of that good stuff. Okay. Here we may need to test out the different values for the container height, but this is really just up to you. I guess it's good. Okay. So I really wanted to start developing this on this particular video, but I think it's going to be very lengthy. So what are we going to do is leave this stuff here for now, and the next one, which is going to be very soon, is going to be quicker than this. Is it okay? I'm just making sure everything is working fine. And now check the difference of why would we want to make this take us to the main page, because sometimes I can just come here, then open a similar product. It's going to open a different page, then open a similar product again, and if I just click to go back, I will go back here, then go back here. And sometimes we don't want to do this stuff. We want to go to the main page directly. So even if I come here, then I come here, then I come here, just when I want to go straight to the main page, I just click here and it's done. Okay, I really hope you did enjoy this video, guys. I'll be by cooking I mean coding or preparing the next video regarding the shopping cart page, and soon, very soon we will be done with the UI. It's taking us a while, so we want to finish this stuff to go back to the good stuff, the back end of this. And if you did enjoy the video, if you did enjoy the video, leave a comment. You can criticize anything. Just thank you for the support, thank you for watching. I hopefully see you on the next one. Bye.